Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about your math for this week. So let's take a look at it all. The first math that we have is our graphing. So what we do for graphing is we look at the first page and we're going to count the animals. This one's all about the rainforest. So I will do the jaguars, and you guys are responsible for doing all the animals, but I'm just going to do jaguars because I don't want to spoil the whole project for you. So I'll count them first. I'll count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, here's one over here. 5 jaguars. So I know that when I think jaguars, I think 5. I come over here to tally marks, and I'll draw 5 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Remember, tally marks come in groups of 5s. So for every group of 5, it should look like this. Tally marks come in groups of 5s. Then I'll flip over to my bar graph, and I'm going to go up 5 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Draw my little bar, and then bring it back down. And then usually we do fill in the bar. So there is that bar graph looking nice right there. Now I need to do my 10 frames. I have 5, so I'll show 5 on the 10 frame. 1, 2, oh, you can't hardly see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the 10 frame. Then my last one is asking about which one has the most and which one has the least. So I would have to count all of them to be able to answer that question. So make sure that you finish that up on your graphing for your work. Let's go to the next day. So on Tuesday, we'll be looking at time. Time is for Tuesday. So let's do one of these together. It says, we'll do the first one. It says, the jaguar goes for a walk at 9:45. Show that time on the clock. So what you need to do is to draw your hour hand and your minute hand. Now, guys, let's remember, this is not going to be pointing exactly at the 9 because our hour hand is not going to be pointing exactly at the 9 because we're already 45 minutes into the hour of 9. So it's not pointing right at the 9. It's actually getting pretty close to the 10, isn't it? Because we're almost all the way around. So there's my hour hand in between the 9 and the 10, showing that. And then here's my minute hand. It's going to be pointing at the 45 minutes. This is 12 o'clock, so that would be the 00. The 3 is worth 15 minutes. Halfway around the clock is 30 minutes. And then 1, 2, 3/4 of the way around the clock is 45 minutes. Oops, it's a wiggly little clock hand, but it'll do, okay? So my minute hand is pointing right at the 9, and my hour hand is pointing in between the 9 and the 10 to show 9:45. And then you need to finish up the rest of them for me, please. Next up, we've got Word Problem Wednesday. So let's look at our word problems for this week. I'll do one of them with us, and then you guys will do the other ones for me. Okay, the first one I want you to do by yourself. I've already written the number sentence for you because it is a missing add-in problem. Don't forget to use plans over here. Let's do number 3 together. Okay, it says the toucan flew 15 miles the first day, 4 miles the second day, and 10 miles the third day. How far did the toucan fly for all 3 of those days? Well, first things first, is it asking us to add or subtract? It's asking us to add because it wants to know how many miles we flew all together. So let's go through and label this problem to help us. So it flew 15 miles the first day. That's important. Then it flew 4 miles the second day, and then it flew 10 miles the last day. How many or how far did the toucan fly all 3 days put together? So I've labeled it. Got that? I can't write my answer yet, but I can write my number sentence. So I know that it's adding. So I know 15 plus 4 plus 10. This is 3 add-ins on this one. Okay. And again over here I'll write 15, 4, and 10. And remember, this is all addition, so I'll put my plus signs. I'm using a number line. So I'll put number line down here for my strategy. I'm going to add on the number line. And now let's add on the number line together. I'll move my little box. Now let's add on the number line together. So I'll start over here because I'm adding. Let me break my numbers into tens and ones real quickly. It's called decomposing, if you remember. Tens on top, ones on bottom. How many tens are in 15? One group of tens. How many ones are in 15? 5 ones. How many tens are in 4? 0. How many ones are in 4? 4. How many tens are in 10? 1. How many tens or how many ones are in 10? 0. Now I've decomposed my numbers. We'll put 15 on the number line first, so I'll cross her off. All right, 15 right here. Now it's time to add. I'll add my tens first. How many tens do I need to add? Well, 0 from this box and 1 from this box. So I'll draw my plus 10. And cross that off because I used it. Okay. Now how many ones do I need to draw? Well, this box says I need 4 ones, so I'll draw those. And then this box has 0, 1, so I don't have to do any more there. Now let's fill in our number line and find our answer. 15 plus 10 more is 25. Now let's count on to do the rest. So we'll start here. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So my final answer is 29 miles. So then I would write miles. Okay, 29 miles. Very good. Don't forget that you need to do your other 2 problems on your own, but that shows you how to work with plans. Our next problem for Thursday is Logic Puzzle Thursday. So we'll check that out real quickly. All right, and this is a rainforest puzzle because we're doing rainforest this week. So I read the clues and I find out what to do. I've got all these animals and all the locations they could be. It says, read the clues and decide where each animal is hanging out. Read carefully. The python likes to be underwater. Okay, well, which one of these is underwater? Can you be underwater in a big tree branch? No. Can you be underwater on a vine? No. Can you be underwater on the forest floor? No. So that means that the python has to be in the Amazon River. Can anything else be in the Amazon River if the python is there? No. It's just one animal per spot. So make sure that you cross off Amazon River from the other animals. Okay? And then you'll continue like that. The monkey wants to be up high and not in the river or on the forest floor. So you can use this information to keep finding out which animal goes where. Okay? Okay. So make sure that you finish that up. But there's a reminder on how to do that. And then last but not least is Friday Fact Fluency. So let's check out our Fact Fluency. It's one of those mazes again. So what we'll do is oops. Just a second, guys. Sorry. What we'll do is we will color in the numbers to get us all the way to the end. Remember, we're trying to find the answers. This one wants the sums of 8. So if it's equal to 8, color it. So 6 plus 2, that's equal to 8. 7 plus 3, no, that's 10. 5 plus 3, well, that's equal to 8, so I'll color that one. 8 plus 0, that's equal to 8. What about 3 plus 4? No. 2 plus 6, that's equal to 8, so I'll color that one in. Okay. What about 9 plus 1? No, that's too much. 6 plus 0? 5 plus 3? Oh, yeah, that's equal to 8, so I'll color that one in. So you'll just go through that way and color in the numbers that equal 8, the problems that equal 8. And that's that. Okay, so that's your math for this week, and I will see you guys next time.